How to send money from PayPal to Visa card. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can transfer money from your PayPal account to your Visa card. So first of all, just open your Chrome browser or any other browser that you're using, and here on the search bar, just search for PayPal. And here on the home screen of the PayPal, so under the PayPal balance option, you will see these three dots. Just click on that, and after that just go to money page and just scroll down, and here you will see these two options. Either you can link your bank account or your card. Since we want to link our Visa card to transfer money, so just click on link a new card, and after that just enter your Visa card number. And here from the card type, just click on this drop down menu and click on Visa, and after that just provide your other information like the expiration date of your Visa card and the security code. And once you enter all these details, just click on link card. So this is how simple it is to link your PayPal to your Visa card in order to transfer money. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.